Welcome to our demo on policy monitoring and anomaly detection using OpenFisca and Salsa's custom policy monitoring tool. But first, some project context. Policy and policy changes can lead to unintended consequences for citizens. Organisations implement policy changes but often lack real-time visibility into their actual impact, with no way to detect if changes are having the expected outcomes. To look at this problem, a consortium of academics, government and industry came together. While academics worked on a research stream, government and industry worked on creating demonstrators. Salsa Digital contributed by designing and building a policy monitoring and anomaly detection prototype. Imagine you can model policy changes before implementing them, and you can monitor them in real time to see if the reality aligns with the projections. Perhaps the modelling predicts that a rule change will reduce eligibility by 10%, but then when you bring in that change, it reduces eligibility by 22%. Our framework follows a three-step process. First, build a digital policy twin using OpenFisca. In our case, we chose an international student visa for Australia, which has a variety of eligibility rules. Second, run OpenFisca simulations for modelling policy changes. For this demonstration, we use synthetic data to simulate changes in key eligibility requirements. In the real world, you'd use real data. And third, monitor the policy changes for any anomalies. If the actual results do not meet the expected changes within a certain threshold, an alert is sent. Using GitHub Actions, we've created a custom workflow for policy monitoring. The policy monitoring pipeline loads baseline values and thresholds from configuration. In this case, we've set the thresholds to a 5% deviation. The custom pipeline systematically generates student visa application data, processes applications using OpenFisca simulations, detects deviations, generates alerts and reports, and stores monitoring artifacts. On screen, the full policy monitoring pipeline workflow from our tool is running. The pipeline generates 25,000 synthetic student visa applications per month, totaling 300,000 for the year. Each month's applications are assessed based on OpenFisca's Australian student visa rules, which cover English, financial and health requirements, as well as overall eligibility. The tool detects 3 anomalies, indicating a policy issue: a moderate -8% deviation in health requirements in month 11, a significant -12% deviation in financial requirements in month 9, and an urgent -15% deviation in English requirements in month 6. Salsa's policy monitoring tool automatically creates email alerts for each anomaly. Each alert includes key details such as the affected policy area, the size of the deviation, the expected versus actual outcomes, and the total number of applications analysed. This ensures that decision makers receive actionable insights instantly. The policy monitoring tool provides a results overview, displaying compliance across all monitored areas. This executive dashboard turns complex policy data into actionable insights for decision makers. This demonstration showed how using OpenFisca simulations, coupled with Salsa's policy monitoring tool, can detect real policy impacts. Through policy monitoring, policymakers can review and respond quickly to unexpected changes. Salsa Digital's policy monitoring delivers an end-to-end rules service. We provide a policy twin for citizens to interact with, standard policy modelling via OpenFisca simulations, and the ability to monitor your policy to see if it's having the desired effects. We hope you enjoyed our demonstration of policy monitoring and anomaly detection. Reach out to Rules as Code at salsa.digital if you want to find out more.